This is Mehron's Rigid Collodion. This product is so much fun to use. It's a clear liquid used to create realistic scar effects. You're going to use the brush that comes on the inside of the cap and paint this directly on the skin. And I'm going to go over this with another layer. And as this starts to dry, it will pucker the skin and deepen the scar. So what I have here is just one layer of Rigid Collodion. I'm going to add another layer using the brush that's on the inside of the cap and go over the same spot. This is 4 layers of Rigid Collodion, and I've allowed it to dry in between each layer. It's now dry to the touch, and you can see it's created a realistic scar.